Hello. Today is my birthday, and apparently it's the same birthday as Queen Elizabeth of England. Everyone listening to BBC National Public Radio, and I heard that she gave away 1,000 birthday awards to British citizens. So I thought of making a video and giving away, just as an anniversary to say to all the Zimbabweans, happy 31st independence anniversary, and also just to look back at the work that I did when I looked at my research when I was a student at Michigan State. Today my daughter, as I was pasting my papers, my daughter looked at this picture here, and the question that she asked was, why is that dude carrying a rock? And that forms the basis of my topic. Why is that dude carrying a rock? I went on to explain to her that Zimbabwe, is home made of rock, and this is from the early inhabitants of Zimbabwe in 300 AD, where they were using tools from stone. And she said, wow, that's a huge dude. And if you can come here, you will see this is also to show the traditional dressing that we had, during the early days of 300 AD, when we had the ancient civilization of Zimbabwe. So we can see that Zimbabwe has come a long, 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 long way. For 150 years, Zimbabwe was under British rule, followed by Rhodesian rule. Not that long ago, before 1980, blacks were not able to vote on good land that belonged to their ancestors. Blacks were not given the same rights as whites in the then Southern Rhodesia and Rhodesia, bound with laws that enslaved in education, health, transport, agriculture, housing, economy. Laws were designed to segregate under what was called separate development, similar to apartheid or Jim Crow laws of USA.